In today's webinar, you'll see how easy it is to find court orders using Docket Navigator. At docketnavigator.com, click Search at the top of the page. Then on the left-hand side of the page, click Documents if it is not already highlighted by default. To search for documents, it is helpful to understand how Docket Navigator organizes its court orders. Docket Navigator categorizes substantive court orders by the type of motion that led to the order, as well as the legal issues that the court focused on in their analysis. By assigning these two labels to an order, the groundwork is laid to enable our users to pinpoint court orders with amazing precision. Take, for example, orders on motions to dismiss for failure to state a claim. There are a variety of different issues that parties may allege in such a motion, such as infringement, inducing infringement, or inequitable conduct, just to name a few. So while finding all orders on motions to dismiss for failure to state a claim narrows the possible results somewhat, it doesn't do so with the precision needed to efficiently research the topic. By including a legal issue along with the type of motion, you can create a set of results that focuses just on the documents you need. Combining legal issues with types of motions is a key advantage in legal research. Of course, you can also include other filters in your search, such as the result of motion, whether it was granted or denied, the posture of the motion, what was the procedural vehicle that led to the motion? Was it a motion by a party, a motion to reconsider? The judge that made the ruling on the motion, the type of pleadings filed in the case. This is especially helpful if you just wanted to see orders in ANDA cases, for example. Parties or counsel involved in the case. A specific court or group of courts. Whether or not the case is active or terminated in PACER, and many more helpful filters. Let's say, for example, that we just want to focus on orders on motions to dismiss for failure to state a claim that focus on the issue of inequitable conduct. Simply choose inequitable conduct as a legal issue by clicking the box next to it. Notice that it moves to the top of the page with the rest of your search criteria. You can edit or remove these criteria by clicking either the pencil icon to edit or the X to remove the filter. Let's also choose a result, as well as a judge and a case status. Once you have all your filters entered, you have the option of creating an alert on the set of results. Just click Create Alert at the bottom of the search results and type in a brief description, which will be the subject line of your alert email. Then click Create Alert again to finalize the alert. This will prompt Docket Navigator to run that same search for you each weekday morning using the same criteria you just entered. If new results are found, you'll be sent an email with the new results included. Now let's perform a search from the initial search page with a variety of filters. We'll click Search at the top of the page. Then let's start with the type of motion. There are basically three ways to choose the type of motion. You can type in a keyword and choose an option from the drop-down suggestions, or you can click the arrow next to the cell and type in a keyword to search for it in the tree. Or just open up the section of the tree that is most likely to contain the type of motion. The sections of the tree are listed in the order that you would expect them to be addressed in a patent case, starting with the pleadings and ending with the trial and appeal. Once you have a type of motion chosen, follow the same procedure to choose a legal issue. Then we'll choose a result, a judge that signed the document, a party or parties, and now we're done. So that is how to find substantive court orders using Docket Navigator. If you need help using Docket Navigator at any time, just click Contact at the top of the page to see our email address and phone number. We are always happy to help with research. Thank you for participating in today's webinar.